For this 8-inch dowel, I'm going to use a 3-foot piece of string to hang the macrame. So now what I'm going to do is fold the 3-foot piece of string so there's about 1/3 on one side and 2/3 on the other. And then I'm going to make an upside down lark's head knot. So you want the strings to be facing the opposite direction of the rest of the wall hanging. Once the lark's head knot is finished, pull it tight and then do a single half hitch with the shorter piece of string to secure it. Now you're going to fake a lark's head knot. Do this by bringing the string around the front of the dowel, behind the dowel, and to the front again on the right side. Make sure the string is long enough to hang the planter with. You don't want to be too snug with the dowel. Now continue your fake lark's head by bringing the string behind the dowel and to the front, then pulling the cord through the loop. Tighten your string and then make another single half hitch to secure. Now you're going to want to flip your hanger over and we're going to cut those loose ends short. We don't want them to be too short here, so leave a couple inches. Now, using a bobby pin, put the string in between the bobby pin and use the tip of the bobby pin to tuck the end of the string under some of the lark's head knots that you made at the top of your dowel. Make sure to pull the string all the way through. Now repeat this process on the other side of your hanger. And then you can trim the ends once again to your desired length. And there you are.